Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Family Home Kitchen. Imagine a plate of creamy cheesy pasta studded with juicy pieces of chicken, topped with a golden layer of melted mozzarella. That's what we're making today, a simple and delicious chicken Alfredo pasta. Originating from Italian cuisine, this dish has won hearts across the globe with its rich flavors and comforting appeal. The secret lies in its simplicity, yet every bite is a testament to the harmony of its ingredients. Our recipe today calls for pasta, your choice of shape, unsalted butter, a succulent chicken breast, a dusting of flour, velvety cooking cream, Parmesan cheese for that classic Italian taste, mozzarella cheese for a beautiful melt, salt and pepper for seasoning, and parsley for a splash of color and freshness. Each component carefully selected to play its part in creating a dish that's more than the sum of its parts. Now, let's get started with the cooking process. You'll see how easy it is to whip up this comforting dish. First, we need to prepare our pasta and chicken. Start by boiling your pasta of choice, be it fusilli, shells, or bow ties, in a pot of boiling water with a drizzle of oil. But remember, don't throw away the pasta water. It's a secret ingredient that we'll be using later on. Now let's move on to our chicken. Grab a large pan and melt 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Add your chicken pieces into the pan, stirring them around until they change from pink to a light brown color. The goal here is not just to cook the chicken, but to infuse the pan with that delicious chicken flavor that will be the base for our Alfredo sauce. And once your chicken is a light brown color, remove it from the pan, but leave those flavorful bits behind. Now, in the same pan, add the remaining butter and let it melt. This is where the magic happens. The butter will mingle with the leftover chicken bits, creating a flavorful base for our sauce. Next, pour in your cooking cream and whisk it into the butter. The cream will start to absorb all the flavors in the pan, transforming from a simple dairy product into a rich and aromatic sauce. Then, add 2 heaping tablespoons of flour. Continue whisking until the sauce starts to thicken. Season it with salt and pepper to taste, and then it's time for the cheese. Start by adding 3/4 cup of Parmesan. Keep whisking, and if your sauce becomes too thick, remember that pasta water we saved? That's right, you can use a bit to thin out your sauce. Now that your sauce is slightly thickened, return the chicken and pasta to the pan, stirring well to distribute the sauce evenly. Once your chicken is a light brown color, remove it from the pan. Now, we're ready to create our creamy Alfredo sauce. It's time to bring everything together with our creamy, cheesy Alfredo sauce. Start off by melting the remaining butter in the same pan. Once the butter is all melted, pour in the cream. Now it's time to whisk. As you whisk, sprinkle in the flour. Keep whisking until the mixture thickens up nicely. Now let's season our sauce. A pinch of salt and a dash of pepper should do the trick. Next up, the star of the show, Parmesan cheese. Keep whisking as you add the cheese. If you find your sauce getting too thick, don't panic. Remember that pasta water we saved? You can add a bit of it to thin your sauce to the desired consistency. And there we have it, our creamy, dreamy Alfredo sauce. Now that our sauce is creamy and smooth, we can add our cooked chicken and pasta into the mix. We're almost done. Now it's time for the final touches. Bring out the mozzarella cheese and sprinkle a generous layer on top of your pasta. Don't be shy. The more cheese, the merrier. Next, pop your pasta into the oven. Keep a watchful eye on it and wait until the cheese turns a delicious golden brown. While your pasta bakes to perfection, let's talk garnish. Fresh parsley and a sprinkle of extra Parmesan cheese can elevate your dish from good to spectacular. The parsley adds a touch of freshness that balances the rich, creamy sauce, while the additional Parmesan provides a salty, umami kick that'll have everyone coming back for seconds. And once your pasta is gorgeously golden, pull it out of the oven and let it cool just a bit. Sprinkle your garnishes on top and voila! And there you have it, a plate of creamy, cheesy chicken Alfredo pasta. Enjoy! Let's quickly recap the steps for our delicious chicken Alfredo pasta. We started by boiling our chosen pasta and cooking the chicken in unsalted butter. We then created a rich Alfredo sauce using butter, flour, cooking cream, and Parmesan cheese, adjusting its consistency with the pasta water. The dish came together when we mixed the pasta and chicken into the sauce, topped it with mozzarella, and baked it to golden perfection. Thank you for joining us in creating this delicious dish. We hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Until next time, happy cooking! If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button for all new updates in the world of cooking.